Which is times I never noticed like, not behavior, but like mood stuff with him is after I had like a milkshake. You know, like something heavy. Oh, you like that arm?
What'd you think about that, Pep?
We'll
go around the room?
That is pretty good. Good thinking, Mary Jane.
Yeah.
The box might have been the best.
She's getting lazy.
We got some drunk driving going on.
Hey, Pepper. Buzz driving's drunk driving.
Are you underneath blue?
Click it or ticket too. What are you doing?
Oh! Pepper, you can't even see where you're going.
Click it or ticket.
Not sure you should be getting back in the vehicle.
Yeah. Pepper, gonna have to make you walk the line.
Oh, yes.
She loves this.
She does love it.
That's the best present right here. Her box.
Maybe they got a good box, guys.
Yeah, seriously. I'm looking for your sled-shaped boxes.
Easily abused. The baby in a box.
In that box, yeah. Had a doll in it. Oh.
Sam was
Are you dizzy?
To do it.
What is it, Pep?
Too priceless.
Pepper.
She's-
Sam wants to do it.
That was fast. She was just kind of jogging.
she's good at that. It's your birthday, Pep. You're a funny girl.
Birthday party.